as Chairman of Agriculture and Fisheries. Committee hearing is now called to order. Attendance for the focal persons, focal persons. John Derek C. Gray, sir, thank you very much for coming. MDRRMO Chief, Master Sergeant Romil Chil, Bulan MPS Investigator, Renato Silo Soriaga Mau, AT. Puy-Otri Edward L. Si Marito apelyido. Okay. Di ko lang maanuhan. CGSS, Bulan PO3 Meiko Bamis Andal from Bulan Coast Guard Station. And we have our two members of the committee, Honorable Councilor Dondon de Castro Jr. and Honorable Councilor Rins Alarguelas, SB Member Committee.
Good morning.
Let us proceed to our items number 1 for resolution strongly endorsing the conduct of two-day seminar training entitled Modified Basic Safety Training for both captains and motormen of the Municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon to be conducted by the Maritime Industry Authority, Region 5, appropriating funds thereof in providing support for its successful implementation. The Municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon is blessed with vast coastal waters, rich marine resources, where fishing and water transport serve as primary livelihood and essential means of mobility for a large number of residents and the communities with more or less 20 coastal barangay. Whereas safety of life and property at sea as well as protection of the marine environment are matters of paramount importance and are mandated under 16 maritime laws, rules, and regulations issued by the government. Whereas both captain and motorman service as key personnel responsible for navigation, vessel operation, and overall safety of passengers, crew, cargo, and the watercraft itself. Their competence, knowledge, and adherence to safety and standards directly reduce risk of accidents, maritime incident, and loss of life and resources. Whereas the Maritime Industry Authority, Marina, as the agency mandated to develop, regulate, and supervise the maritime industry in the Philippines, including safety standards and competency requirements, has agreed to conduct a specialized capability building activity entitled Modified Basic Safety Training, specially tailored for our local boats, captains, and motormen. Whereas this two-day seminar training aims to update and enhance their knowledge on safety procedures, emergency response, pollution prevention, navigation rules, maintenance protocols, and relevant regulatory requirements aligned with current national standards. Whereas the proposed activity is scheduled by this coming July 2026 to be held at Sabang Park Pavilion, Municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, covering necessary lectures, practical demonstration, and assessment components. Whereas the successful delivery of this program estimated cost for venue, preparation, training, materials, handouts, meals, and snacks for participants and resources person, honoraria, supplies, and other incidental expenses shall be amount to all at least 50,000 pesos from the local government unit. Whereas the Sangguniang Bayan recognizes that investing in the skills and safety awareness of our maritime workers is an investment towards safer waterways, sustainable livelihood, disaster risk reduction, and protection of public welfare. Now, therefore, a motion by our committee members, and we have resolved, it is hereby resolved to see strong strongly endorse the conduct of the two-day seminar training on modified basic safety training for both captains and motormen of the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, to be conducted by the Maritime Industry Authority Region 5. Resolve further that this honorable body supports the proposed activity and approve the budgetary allocation of at least 50,000 pesos to be charged against the appropriate account and available funds of the municipality, subject to existing accounting and auditing rules and regulation. Resolved finally that copies of this resolution will be furnished to Marina Region 5 Office, the Municipal Mayor, Treasurer, Municipal Accountant, Engineering Office, Agriculture Office, and concerned agencies and offices for their information, guidance, and appropriation action. Actually, we have an invitation to the Marina Legazpi City. Personally, kinatuko po tabi na di ko aram kay wala pa kaabot ang maritime groups. Ginadi ko na dili lang siguro sa biyahe. So, wala pa kita sin fixed date for this particular two-day seminar. But in particular, siguro ko may knowledge man sin ang Philippine Coast Guard, di ba? For the training of the motormen and boat captain, which include also the MDRRMO for the emergency cases like kung may mga rescue. And for the investigation, the PNP, Philippine National Police, under Master Sergeant Chill, and also noted from the Municipal Agriculture Office regarding the registration to be participated by thoroughly completed requirements for the actual numbers from the Municipal Agriculture Office to those who are nakatapos na secured sila sa mga requirements sa MAU. Ang MAU sina aram. So, wala kita sin representation sa Marina, pero accepted naman nila during the by visitation sa Region 5 regarding this two-day seminar workshop. And according to the mayor is mayon man siya sinihatag na budget for this preparation.
Mr. Chair,
Opo.
interrupt ko lang po madali. Good morning po sa ato mga visitors. Sa Intira po, good morning. Medyo na-confuse lang po ako, Mr. Chair. Kung ano kay Puanta pa po provide sin resolution para po sa conduct sayo na training or seminar. Usually, ano man lang po sila kay Puan, program proposal, hali sa agency concern. Halimbawa, kung MDRRM, ma-submit po sa program and opisina, i-forward po yan sa local chief executive and it's up to the executive kung i-approve po yan or diri kung i-provide po yung funding requirement. Diri naman po yata kay Puan sa SB resolution pag sa mga irugsidina na ma-request for funding para sa sayo na activity. Di naman po kay Puan sa Sangguniang Bayan mag-issue sa resolution. Mao lang po yun ang pagkaaram ko ha.
Anyway, thank you for the information. Actually, duwa ini na agenda ta and supposed to be parang in-anticipate ko na for the second item regarding the resolution authorizing the mayor for Romy Gordola to sign enter into memorandum of understanding MOU with the Maritime Industry Authority Regional Office Marina for the promotion of maritime safety security awareness campaigns and shipping operation development in the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon. So this is now the two items. Kuang ko na po tabian sa insabay ko naman po tabian sa 2 days training from the boat captain and motorman para saro na lang ang dalagan sa ato tabihimo on na committee reports. So as well as wala man an maritime group o an marina for the resolutions for the memorandum of understanding. So after our committee hearing, then i-report naman sa SB, and i-considered ko na iniputabi na memorandum of understanding, makakahatag kita sin file for the committee hearing reports sa Marina, sa Region 5, before the approval of this memorandum of understanding on the both parties from the local government unit and the Marina. So,
Mr.
inano ko
Chair.
na lang siya.
Balik po kita sa primero na agenda para diri po makakalibong. Sino po ang nag-propose sini na 2-day training, modified basic safety training?
Opo.
An executive, an Marina, an MAU, or an MDR?
And information regarding this 2-day seminar is An Marina. An Marina and may unsin say na sila naghatag sini na mandates for the training seminars. So yung last training ninda is registration. Parang e-boat registration.
Diri po yung training, iba po ang training sa registration.
Ini mo nira ini sa Sabang Park Pavilion. Dire lang nira na
So,
diretso and motor boat captain and motorman seminar na saro pa yan to na requirements para ito na mga commercial fishing vessel nato is considered as dapat required sinda na mag-rendered sin seminar training like this motorman and boat captain para requirements po yun.
So parang before sir i-register sa Marina, kaya po mo na rin mag-undergo sin basic safety training.
Yes, opo.
So,
Pero
programa ini San Marina na in-require na ra na intiro na mga i-register na bangka or na sarakyan, kaya po mo na mag-undergo sin basic training. So, in daop na po ini San Marina sa executive.
Opo.
Kay para may on kita sin coordination with the executive. Diri so na nabibiglaan ang executive sin mga programa na diri sila aware. Lalo na may on ini sin budgetary requirements. So, din po kukuha ko ng 50,000.
Ang ano ko kay Mayor is kukuha na lang dito sa sa Coastal Resource Management budget if ever coordinate nga na ako kan Mayor niyan kung kay budget kung may payad to sin necessary budget para
Diri
Secure
dapat in una ta mag-coordinate before kita mag kay kung aprobahan ta ini tapos wala man lang budget, sayang sini na programa.
Pero okay naman si Mayor. Present ko ni kaniya together with the memorandum of understanding from Marina. Okay naman siya.
Wala po representative from the executive. Kasi ini po na MOU na insalang, hali talaga ini kan Mayor, may surat si Mayor sa ato. Ini na 50,000 na basic safety training. Wala man po, di man po in-endorse hali sa executive or endorsement.
Mo yun and i-secured ko kan Mayor after the committee hearing na intended for the budget kung di talaga makakuha ini.
So paano po sinan magiging action sa committee kung diri pa man kita assured na may sin availability of funds?
Maybe the action taken from the committee after this kasi importante man lang sinitabi and na-rendered ta and saro na requirements for committee hearing about the memorandum of understanding from the Marina.
Di po. Inistoryahan ta po sa pag-conduct sa basic training Kaya ini po na MOU, by the letter of Mayor addressed sa Sangguniang Bayan, may una po kita sinisin assurance na willing magsulod sa MOU ang sa ato Mayor kasi siya mismo ang nag-request at the same time siya nag-provide sa draft and including na an MOU na isusulod niya. So talagang nagsisik an executive sin authority from the Sangguniang Bayan ini po nasaro na training na may unsin 50,000 maoan kay puhan ta siguro mapasiguro na okay silang sa executive man.
Mm.
Like for example, mao po ito na in-point out kanina ni Councilor Alarguelas na usually baga para sa to ninhimo mo tabi na training sa livelihood sa isda. Naghimo mo na sin either an mao sa at that time naghimo mo na sin program design duly approved by the executive. Mao na to siya matatagan sin budgetary requirements. Mabaga naging proseso nato sa
Yes,
to.
so-
Ito na 100,000.
I-coordinate ko kay administrator and kan mayor kung the same as ang procedure nato is pareho sa to sa livelihood nato. Whatever the result of the committee hearing is based on our memorandum of understanding, talagang naka-base naman talaga ang coordination sa ato Marina Region 5 na nag-action kita sini na memorandum of understanding kasi 2025 pa ini. So nagkataon lang na may direktiba sila after the training sa to na nakaagi is may umpa pala sin other training na pwede may apply nato through our memorandum of understanding.
Kasi ano ko lang tabi, Mr. Chair. Tama ito na notice ni Councilor Aller na through this MOU nato, di naman kayo po maghatag pa sin another resolution. Kay parte tabi sa MOU ta na makandak sin training Marina. Obligasyon na tabi na rayon. With regards naman sa budgetary requirements and costs na pagpa-training, nakaakibat naman po sa MOU nato na both parties makaalat or magastos sa ratabi sin para so na training. So parang nagiging redundant or repetitive ini. Kay kung imo doon mo po tabi ang nakasurat sa MOU, cost of the undertaking sa section 5, the parties shall bear their own cost in the implementation of this undertaking, including but not limited to personnel, venue, transportation, and other representation expenses. So naluwas didi na pag makandak sa resin training and budgetary cost sa Marina sa kanira man opisina. Total, pag nagpaparehistro ka nara, may income man sara nagsusulod eh. Pero through this resolution na 50,000, bagan i-cover ta paglugod, pati ang cost nara na nasa MOU nato na kanya-kanya dapat gastos. So, mas detalyado ang MOU na di naman sinikipon ini na na mag-conduct ini na resolution palan. Kaya una, in the first place, mandatory na mag-training. Mao na nakabutang sa MOU, mas nga ni wara sa MOU, mandatory na before mag-issue ang Marina, kaya puhan mo mag-undergo sin training and seminar ang mga operator. San dapat, ang basic safety. So, ito, nano ang need sinid pa na resolution. Nayadi na sa MOU ang sini, ang
Yes,
content eh.
Doubt ko man gani dahil in absent of the Marina, we can answer the questions of Honorable Councilor Dondon de Castro.
Di po, regardless kunya adipon Marina, may unsa rin hatag na Memorandum of Understanding na draft na nag-request na tugutan sa Sangguniang Bayan si Mayor na mag-enter into a MOA or MOU with them. So, aware na sa rasan mga obligation na ra kay sara naghimo sa sini na draft. Kung may mood po niyo ang second ang second agenda. So, intiro na kahaputan, actually adi na didi. So, ang kahaputan na lang namo, na kay mahimo pa kita sini nasaro na resolution, na ini na resolution na ini, nasa laman na siya sa Memorandum of Understanding with the Marina. For example, aside ko lang, nakabutang baga didi ang himo sa Marina, register vessels, issue certificate, establish zones, set safety standards for vessels. Mao na po ito. Require all domestic ship operator and vessel to comply with operational safety standards set by applicable rules and regulations. So may una sa MOU. So na kay mahimo pa kita resolution. Magan mao namo na madudurubli palugod na una ini na MOU request sa Marina pangduwa uyo nan approve man ang sa executive kay mao nga ni ang nag-request sa Sangguniang Bayan natagan si Mayor sin authority. Kinover na sini na MOU entero eh. Maski wara po an Marina, self-explanatory naman ang nakasurat didi. And lalong-lalo na maka-assume kita na approve sinian Marina kay hali ni sa Marina mismo na MOU. Naguhulat lang sa rasin tagan authority si Mayor para makapirma didi sa MOU na ra.
Maybe we can defer now the resolution for the today's seminar, ano. And then we can be sure to the regional director or staff of the Marina na afterwards na magkaigo kita sin MOA, MOU sa Marina. So, pwede ano nato gihapon ini, ma-label out sa Office of the Mayor. Mo na lang siguro. I-defer na lang ini na
Wait lang po, Mr. Chair. Na kay ponta i-defer. Na po kay ponta hulaton para maka-continue kita si di na 267 po na proposed resolution na about po sa seminar.
And my opinion is for a deferment kasi wala man an Marina sa committee hearing ta.
Di po,
Kung makasure sila na makaabot sila didi, formally another invitation, so maybe we can question and answer from the regional office representative from Marina.
ang sa resolution.
Di man kita makasabi na according to our next step sini is ma-approvean tatulos and resolution kasi in absent of the representative from the Marina. Yun na lang siguro for
So, pati tabi ang second agenda, madi-defer ta ini. An
Yes.
MOU.
Opo. And sa second agenda na to, and sa memorandum
Memorandum
of
of
understanding, since waraan representation sa Marina, i-defer tanin ba?
oh, for my opinion
No,
before
I think this,
we-
ini po na, no, ini na second item, ini na 244.
Self-explanatory.
Oo.
kasi.
Pwede tayo ni-approve. Pwede
yes,
tayo
opo,
ni-approve.
opo. We can approve now the memorandum of understanding through our committee report to the regional office Marina. Consider na kung makaistorya tamang gihapon si Mayor, kung maka-endorse gihapon siya for another endorsement na madiretso ta.
Opo, and
to
besides,
the
Mr. Chair,
seminar.
kung makandak po sa training and Marina, dili po sa Bulan, sira po sa mapadarsin communication. Kaya nga ni, diri naman po, sa opinion ko, diri naman nato kay Puan inin sa'yo na resolution kasi
Yes,
program design man lang po sa nang kay Puan. And it's between the Marina and the LGU which is represented by the executive. Diri naman po kay Puan si di Sangguniang Bayan.
Yes.
Pag sa mga irig po sila na training approval.
So think with our memorandum of understanding, we can approve this for the signatory from the Office of the Mayor and the Marina Regional Director. Mo na lang siguro ano. Kung may ma-approve na to kasi other municipality naman maski kuno wala committee hearing sa memorandum of understanding basta signed by the mayor, okay na sa kanila.
Diri po, Mr. Chair, sala po yung statement. Diri makasign an mayor without the authority from the Sangguniang Bayan.
Yes, opo.
So,
Kaya nga kita, mayroon kita si committee hearing for the compliance man sa Office of the Mayor na inagita man sa tama na proseso. So, siguro ko, by the way, since that in absent of the Marina, and we can tackle now the other issues regarding the MOA, the Memorandum of Understanding. So, yun na lang siguro, magiging basis for the committee report with our memorandum of understanding. But we set aside na muna ini na seminar, 2-day seminar, kung okay na to, okay man po tabi si Mayor na mag-request through the request by the Marina Region 5.
actually irog po sini. Before nauna ini na resolution sa laan proseso. Dapat unahon muna ang memorandum of understanding saka kita mahimo sin resolution in support of the program San Marina.
Yes.
Kasi until wara sin memorandum of understanding ang LGU and Marina, diri sira basta-basta makakandak sin seminar kay wara sin understanding ang duwa. Pero dahil mayon na sin understanding ang duwa, ini na gusto mo na himuon na 2-day seminar, kaupod na actually siya sa understanding. Dili na kaipuhan maghimo pa sin resolution na mag-conduct sa kay kung basahon tabi nato ang memorandum of understanding, hiyato na siya sa sulod. Even sa paggastos, even sa materials, nakabutang didi na ang ma-provide is an Marina. So, under sa Section 4 obligation of the parties, letter C, 4.1 letter C, provide information, education, and communication materials, guidelines, and information of safety standard to be disseminated to the riding public and various stakeholders. So, mismo ang Marina, saranaan ma-provide sa iba na materials na diri naman kipuhan i-shoulder sa LGU. Although may counterparting mangyapon sa iba na paggagastusan, depende sa kunano ang kaakibat or laman sinina memorandum of understanding. So mas bali mao po inyan itakel kay mao ang babasihan sa intiro na programa nato.
Okay, so I think the recommendation of as a committee chair, the resolution authorizing the mayor enter into a memorandum of understanding with the Maritime Industry Authority Regional Office Number 5 for the promotion of maritime safety security awareness campaigns and shipping operations, development, and municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon. Muna mo tabi ng priority na to ha. Then after this, bala naman tabi Marina mag request to the mayor siguro para another request from the chief executive rendering the 2-day seminar sa masunod na mga patawag nato, no? Now, before the end of our committee hearing, may I ask the Philippine Coast Guard, yato na nakaagitabi na ano nato? Ato, registration lang po yato. Oo. So, invited lang ang Coast Guard for the occasions. Oo. And then, ang MAU naman, in-invite naman for the reference and registration sa mga motorboat ha. Oh. Kamo sinaduwa na agency an ano eh. Considered as ano eh. So,
Ano po? Ang tourism wala ka invite?
wala kita pakahatag sa tourism.
Kay based sa MOU, saraan parang saro na lead. Ang laman po sa MOU, lalo na sa registration and legalization of shipping operations, nakapatan din coordination with LGUs, local tourism authorities, and relevant organizations to facilitate mobile registration of ships operating without license and the issuance of necessary certificates for safe operations. So, diri po natin ang tourism. Kay,
Na-anticipate ko ang tourism.
yadi po sa MOU.
Opo, yadi di sa MOU.
Oh, kay dito na invite.
Tourism. Mura ako pakahatag.
Kay dapat aware ang tourism sa maging obligasyon na raw once na magpirmahan si na MOU.
Mura lang kita paka-invite sa tourism. Besides, siguro ko sa MDRR mo naman is automatic naman, Sir Gray, na pag yung invitation sa MDRR mo is matrain talaga for a rescue ha, kung kinakaipuhan. Diyo lang na mga techniques.
Opo. Ang training po namin is for responders. Ang pagkakaintindi ko po kasi na Yadi Didi is para sa mga boat captains and crews. Parang ang dating niya SOLAS, basic training sa mga seafarers, Irugson po.
No ba? Hindi man.
Parang Irugson kung paano mag-handle or operate sa bangka. Iba man ang MDR Nan more of registration and inhimo na MOU between the LGU and Marina, more on registration. Didi sa bulan. Para kumanhian Marina didi, kay ang nagiging problema bagasan mga fishing vessel ta, ang nareklamo sin kay Pompo magkato dito sa Legazpi. So, So bagan nagkakaano palagod sin additional cost and inconvenience. So, sembod ko sin an Marina Region 5 nakaisip through man requestan sa LGU bulan na para mapadali na mas mapadaghan naton mag-register saran maakan hididi. Pero before sara magsulod sa LGU bulan, kay puan mo na mag-enter into understanding kay para man maoan magiging justification na ra kung nakinagkan ni sara didi. Kay intiro kita sa gobyerno baga puro kita under sa government accounting. Diri po. So bawat kiwa, bawat gastos nato kay puhan may onion sin justification. So diri makababa didian Marina hanggang wara sin authority or wara sin understanding between the LGU. Kaya manduda ko sinina purpose ini. With regard sa rescue na masulod ang MDR, di ko alam kung nano ang magiging papel niyo sa kaya ever since ang Marina nagpaparegister diri man i-embel to ang MDR, di ba?
Yan, Sir JD, pag may training po ba ang MDRM nag-request ka mo sa resolution sa Sangguniang Bayan o naghimo lang ka mo proposal sa executive?
Kaupod na yun.
Program design po kasi ang capacity building po na funding namo is approved naman na dati sa Sangguniang Bayan.
Kaya sa annual budget, ano
Apo.
diba? Naka-itemize na yun sa annual budget.
Apo.
So beside of from the memorandum of understanding, in aayos man sa Marina ang relationship between the LGU, lalo na sa Philippine Port Authority for the loading and unloading, nakabutang man didi. So when in fact, dapat talaga may memorandum of understanding kita sa Marina kasi batog naman ang mga trackers niya dyan sa highway. So with regards of this memorandum of understanding, ang pakaaram ko na much better na mayon talaga si MOU between the LGU and the Marina. And regards, kauropod na ang safety precaution from the commercial fishing vessel. No. Sa Philippine Coast Guard, sa PNP naman, ano naman po tabi yung patrol visibility patrolling along that highways. Magiging papel na lang sa so for the continuation siguro nano nato sa committee nato. It is MOA muna ha. MUO muna.
Opo. Motion for approval, Mr. Chair, of this memorandum of understanding.
Okay, through the motion of Honorable Councilor Alerguelas regarding the MOU between the Marina and LGU, and second the motion by
Second the
Councilor Dondon de Castro. The committee is now hereby adopted the committee report. Okay. So thank you very much again from the MDRRMO, the Philippine Coast Guard, and the Municipal Agriculture Office, and also from the PNP. Kung may mga ano pa, wala naman okay naman. So our committee hearing, thank you very much, now adjourned.